afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a happy hump day paint pouring day. Today is Wednesday and I am Brian. Today I am going to revisit the same technique that I did in a few videos ago for my painting called Oceans Deep. That piece came out just phenomenal. It sold within the first day of me showing it. And so I wanted to kind of create a sister piece to it. It's a beautiful, beautiful technique. So I'm changing up the colors completely. So I'm really, really excited for this piece. Also, I want you guys to keep an eye out. December 1st is World AIDS Day. So I will be taking part in a big collaboration with a bunch of artists. And so I will put all the times and the artists in my description box for this video, so you'll have an idea of what time that's going to start. Right now, while I'm doing this intro, I don't have that time slot listed yet, so as soon as I get that, I'll let you guys know. All right, so let's get down on the canvas and let's start painting. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so what I've got is a 24 by 30 gallery wrap canvas taped and push pinned on the back. A while back, I'd made a painting. I didn't like it. I scraped it, so I don't want to waste the canvas. So it is freshly painted with just a deep kind of a brownish green that I had left over. So I just went ahead and just coated the entire canvas to make it look like it's got some color on it. That way the edges and sides won't poke through. Let's talk about the colors today. Got some really, really good colors. I am using Amsterdam in the Expert series in the Indigo. Beautiful, beautiful deep blue color. It's almost like a Payne's Gray. I've got Amsterdam in the Bronze. Titanium White from Amsterdam. My pouring medium today is Liquitex Gloss Medium with Floetrol and no water. This is Artist Loft in the Metallic Cobalt Blue. Amsterdam in the Sky Blue Light. I get all these colors in my head, and then when I start to talk about them, I forget what they are. Pebeo in the Iridescent Red Blue. Today I'm going to do something that I don't really like to do, but I really want to use all these colors, so I want to use my split cup. I need a split cup that's got 5 chambers. This has got 4. So I'm going to double up on my chambers on what colors I'm going to put in here. So since I'm going to be doubling up on colors, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to double up on the outside. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the indigo and the bronze and the indigo and the bronze. And then on this outside, I'll do the reddish blue and the light blue. We're going for kind of like a galaxy straight pour. So let's see what we got here. Let's do indigo. Bronze. Indigo. Bronze. This is a 32 ounce cup. I don't need 32 ounces of paint, but I'm gonna fill it up anyways like that. Let's see here. Got the white, metallic cobalt blue. So let's do a little bronze. White. Bronze. And white. Metallic cobalt blue in a chamber by itself. Let's go with the reddish blue The sky blue light, reddish blue, sky blue light. I filled this cup all the way up, so what I'll do is the extra will go around like flow extender. All right. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour into the center with white. The reason why I'm doing that is because a dry canvas is a thirsty canvas, as Mina would say. Even though this has got a coat of paint on it, I want my paint to slide around. I'm gonna start out low, I'll raise up high and then come back down low again. Okay, I'll let that develop. Wonderful things are really starting to happen with the cells. It's starting to develop, really come to the surface. Be able to look at this and see how I'm going to stretch. Do need to kind of fix the center here. Give us a little torch to pop the air bubbles. See where the weight of the paint is. So we're going to move it around just a little bit.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. We never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
All right, let's go off this corner first, I think.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know why you flies, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak.
Let's evaluate this.
But no, not just me.
I'm loving this a lot, guys. Woo! You is bring this around.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Work it out. No, no. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us, us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out?
Loving what this Prussian blue and bronze is doing. Beautiful together, just beautiful. Got that reddish blue blending in with the light blue. Got the metallic cobalt blue. I've got some great lines happening. Yes. Loving my center, loving all the cells that are coming up. Gonna clean up the edges, torch, and bring you guys in. All right, here is the wet result. Let me bring you in here up close. All right, I'll let you see the dried result. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, here's the dried result. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love this so much. It really does become a sister piece to Oceans Deep. I just love it a lot. Let me bring you in here. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. Check this sucker out. Again, it dried just fantastic. Loving the color scheme to this. That blue-red from Pebeo and the metallic cobalt blue, Prussian blue, the bronze, everything is just playing so well together. I love it so much. So also I did want to show you real quick, this is the sandwich pour that I did a couple of videos ago. It dried well. I put a coat of Liquitex gloss varnish on that. It dried just amazingly. Just love it so much. Both of these pieces are available for purchase. If you would like to purchase them, you can send me a direct message via Facebook or an email, briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye now.